In this video, I'll show you how to change cursor on Windows 11. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So if you look at my cursor now, it's currently black. So I'm going to show you I can be able to change your cursor, the text, the size, everything you need to know. So come on here, click on settings. Once this has opened up, this is the very first step you need to do. Click on accessibility. You're going to be able to see mouse pointer and touch, so click on it. So from here you can be able to come on here, so you can see my mouse is currently black, so I can select it to white. So you can see mine is currently white now. I can select this color as well, so you can see it. So you can be able to come on here as well and choose the color of the mouse you want. You can be able to choose the color of your mouse pointer cursor. So you can be able to select the size as well. So look. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe.